In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the atomic sword here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and find a teleport around the map, interact with it, and you need to teleport over to Lawless Island. So go ahead and make your way over to Lawless Island. Of course, once you're here, you're pretty much all set because this is where the entire process happens. You need to start by farming these little regular mobs over here that are currently being farmed by someone. I don't know where the person is. Oh, he's way up there. He's farming them right there. So essentially, you need to farm these guys over and over and over because you need to get Abyss Sigils. Now, you need these in order to summon the boss. Once you have enough sigils, make your way over to this boss summoner, just like so. Interact with them, and then you can just spawn any boss for 1 Abyss Sigil on normal, 2 on medium, 3 on hard, and 4 on extreme. Now, essentially, the main loop is just going to be summon the boss, defeat it, collect drops. This boss gives you the materials that you need. In order to get the atomic sword, you need the shadow sword, 45,000 gems, 80 abyss sigils, and of course, you also get boss drops like essence, remnants, and shards. If your build is strong, increase the difficulty since it does improve the drop rates. If not, just stay lower so you can farm faster, but running this with a team does help. Just make sure you do at least 10% of damage. Once you do have everything, you need to go to the shadow NPC here on this island. He's all the way back here. Go ahead and interact with him just like so, and he'll go ahead and hook you up with the sword. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before we do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.